The next website builder we're going to look at is Shopify. Shopify is very different compared to the other options in this video because it's designed specifically for building online stores and e-commerce businesses. So if the main focus of your website is not selling products online, then you don't need to consider Shopify. However, if you plan on building an online store, then Shopify is definitely one of the best options. To build your store, you'll first have to choose a theme. Currently, there's 13 free themes and just over 200 paid themes ranging from $100 to $500. Unlike previous website builders we've covered, Shopify doesn't have a drag and drop builder. Instead, you'll have to add pre-designed sections to your page and then customize the layout and design through the options in the side menu. This definitely does limit your design freedom, but it also makes setting up your store very easy and quick. Plus, you won't have to spend additional time optimizing your website for mobile. Where Shopify really shines is the backend of your online store. It's designed to simplify the complexities of running an e-commerce business with things like inventory management, order fulfillment, payment processing, customer email automation, and a lot more. Another big advantage of using Shopify is their huge app store with over 8,000 apps, allowing you to add tons of additional features to your store. Shopify currently offers a 3-day free trial, followed by a 3-month paid trial for $1 per month. After that, there are different plans ranging from $29 all the way up to $2,300 per month. The main difference between these plans is the transaction fee that you'll have to pay for every sale on your store. So it makes sense to start with the basic plan and then upgrade to a higher plan to reduce transaction fees once you start making more sales on your store. So if you want to build an online store very easily and quickly, and you don't care so much about having a very customized design for your website, I definitely recommend checking out Shopify.